Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher, Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you chapter 5, application of neutralization. In previous classes I also discussed the topic of acid and bases and some application of bases and also neutralization. Today application of neutralization. In previous classes definition of neutralization, explain when acid and bases are combined together, that is form to neutralization. When the application or reaction, that is acid or bases, that is say to neutralization, formation of neutralization. Today I discuss the topic of application of neutralization. So that topic are usage in our daily life of neutralization. I discuss the some points of neutralization. First point is indigestion. In everyday, in our daily life, somebody are the painful for and suffering for the indigestion and painful in the stomach ache. So that is the causes of acidic nature inside in his stomach, because that is hydrochloric acid are need for digestion of foods, but excessive quantity inside our stomach then problem create inside our stomach in indigestion. So that situation is handled to, that is usage of magnesium hydroxide. So that magnesium hydroxide uses with hydrochloric acid, then that is formed to neutralization inside our stomachs. After some times our stomachs in pain are so comfort and digestion problem are suitable for neutralization process. So first application of neutralization in indigestion process. In our daily life, that process is usage of and suffering for person for indigestion. So usage of baking soda and some, that is basis metal are requirement of our body to, that is react of that digestion acid, and that is formation of neutralization. Another is antibiotics. In daily life some person are, that is taken antibiotic for suffering of pain for antibiotic. So that ant inject our body in formic acid. So that is that acid due to the our body in the pain on the inside of a skin. So that pain is relief for the usage of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is name of baking soda. That baking soda on the dead places are rubbing where ant white is taken, then that is the, because ant inject inside our body in the acidic nature, that is acid inject, that acid is formic acid, and that acid where the baking soda are rubbing on that places, that both acid and baking soda bases that is combined together, that is formation of neutralization. Then after sometimes that is neutralization and pain is removed. So that is use of ant bite. It is also in our daily life. Soil treatment in our agriculture field, a region of acid rain, usage of excessive fertilizer inside the soil, that is the region of excessive chemical of our soil, so plant do not grow inside the soil. So that treatment is usage of basis nature, that is use of calcium oxide. So that is our soil is, when calcium oxide is used inside the soil, that is the our soil is neutralization formation. So that process is said to soil treatment. Another is factory waste. Many factory are waste of chemical through the drain water and goes inside the land water and harmful for fish, that is the acid inside the fish body, that is the respiration system is damaged. So our aquatic animals are losses and damage, die. So that is the factory waste through, that is dying of usage of excessive chemical inside, goes inside the water, and that is the dangerous for aquatic animals and agriculture. Now again is acid rain. Acid rain is also damage of our aquatic animal and soil, that is the usage of pollution and usage of basic nature, then combined to, that is process of neutralization. So that is save of these things. Okay, so today I explain the application of neutralization. Okay, thank you.